Like, can I help you? Oh my gosh. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chala. This is Chala Reads a Bit. Today is going to be a different video. As you can tell, we are in my usual sit down spot is where we are today. So we're not doing a vlog. This is not a vlog. Are we surprised? Me too. Bear with me. I need my glasses for this video. So if you see the glare, sorry, but I need them. So sorry, not sorry. I need to be able to see in this video, so just ignore it. Today is a different video. I'm going to be unboxing the Fairyloot Raven Cycle set that I finally got. It has been sitting for a few weeks, and if you hear noises in the background, it's Chibi probably eating and being a loud menace. So again, don't mind that. But I did finally get my Raven Cycle set a while ago, like 2-3 weeks ago, and I've been too busy, stressed, everything to sit down and do this video, but I'm making myself do it today because it needs to be done and I wanted these books out of this box. But before we get into the video, if you enjoy my videos, please feel free to give a like and subscribe. I would love to have you here. It really makes my day, it really makes Chibi's day, and we love seeing you here. And let's get into it. So like I said, the box has been here for a bit, so it's been just been sitting there. But initially, like when I got my Lunar Chronicles set, I was gonna do a sit down video, but I ended up just doing it in the vlog because I was like, I don't really feel like doing that whole thing. But this time my boyfriend's like, why don't you just do it? Do a sit down video, make it its own thing. So here we are, finally. It has been sitting for a bit, but I'm excited to look at them. I have not opened the box, I have not pulled them out. I was waiting for this video. Disclaimer, I'm not usually doing these kinds of videos, so if it's all over the place, chaotic, doesn't look the best, bear with me. I'm still getting used to things like this. I probably won't have many unboxings here, but you know, just know I'm trying my best. But let's get into it. So here is the box. I have not looked into it. My boyfriend opened the top for me, and let's get into it. Okay, good old paper. I'll get rid of that. And then just this card that says to tag them and everything. Ooh, I can see book on top already. Oh, there goes the box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. They're in the bubble wrap. I hope you can see that. This time I might try to do, like, get extra clips of the books after I'm done to include as I'm showing them, because sometimes I don't know if this is in focus. So, they're out of order. So I'm just gonna quickly try to get them. Okay, so first off, oh, these are beautiful. They're like shiny. They're not like matte. They're shiny covers. Different. Okay. I love the spines. They're cute. And then look at this. Can you see that metallic edges? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, destroying everything before we really get started, but sorry for all the loud noises. I'll try to make sure it's not like that in editing. But let's go book by book. Okay. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I will get clips outside of this to show and include, but it just, it's like simple. It's simple, but, oh, wow, really? These end papers, oh my god. It squeezed me. Okay. There's like a reverse dust jacket. Okay. I again will get clips outside, but, not outside, but like, to put in so you can see it better. But oh my gosh, like this outside is simple, but this naked book, like, can I Can I help you? I don't think I can. Like, I can't even help myself right now. Like, look at that. I'm gonna have to include clips. But, oh my god, that's spine. Oh, my heart, it hurts. This is a weird scene to depict in the back of the book, but you know, it is what it is. But, oh, it's beautiful. That is stunning. Like, I will include the clip now of me showing it off more aesthetically. That is the first book, The Raven Boys. Like, I really like it. It's simple. It doesn't have a person on the cover. It's just the Raven. I love it. Oh my gosh. This is you learning that I'm very weird. And then Dream Thieves, which was my least favorite. Ronan is not my favorite character, which I guess is an unpopular opinion. This wasn't my favorite. Ronan is not my favorite. But he is on the cover. But it's still stunning. Still stunning. Still plain, but it's the inside that's the key here. Of course, the reverse. Again, I'll have better images of it, but oh, stunning. And then the M papers. This is all beautiful. Like, honestly, I'm tempted to just display them without the dust jacket. I mean, the dust jacket is good and all, but I really think the real beauty is the hard naked cover. There is ribbon bookmarks in them. Blue Lily Lily Blue is always my favorite cover. I never finished the series. I did want to. It's not because I didn't. I really liked it, except obviously Dream Thieves. But I'm always afraid to continue series, especially if I'm liking them. But this is always my favorite. There's like little details that you probably won't be able to see, but beautiful. Stunning. Oh, and I didn't notice that these are like metallic too, like embossed, I guess the word would be. So is her signature. This is beautiful. Of course I gotta show you this. You're not gonna really see it, so I'm just gonna make sure to include it in the end. Like, stunning. It is just the magician. Oh my god. I mean, the hands with the eyes, a little creepy, but you know, I mean, the binding on this one is a bit messed up, but it's okay. I can survive. It's like, yeah, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna complain. Took forever just to get these. So, and there was a lot of issues with me getting my Fairyloot, so I'm not gonna complain. Oh, that's okay. Honestly, do these connect or are they just the same spine? We'll find out. And the last one is The Raven King, which is also one of my favorite covers. Stunning. Okay, and then this dust jacket, which I doubt you can see, so I might just pop in. Oh, so pretty. Like, are they just the same? This is stunning. Stunning. Yeah, you get what I'm saying, but again, this is, I don't know if you can tell, embossed. Just beautiful. I'm just in awe of how beautiful they are. There is, again, a ribbon bookmark in all of them. They're signs. It's just stunning. I don't know how I want to do it. Do I want to keep the dust jackets on, or try the reverse dust jacket, or just the naked hardcovers? Like, let me take off all of the dust jackets and we'll take a gander at it. Well, by golly gosh, the spine go together. I'm not gonna be able to show you. I'll do my best. But they go together. They form a kind of image of like this tree. I hope you can see that. By golly gosh. It literally says at the bottom, the Raven Cycle. And then, oh my god. See, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to like, just have them as a naked hardcovers? Do I put the dust jackets? Like, what do they want me to do at this point? What do they want me to do? Because they've got me tripping right now. I'll probably insert clips of all 3 ways. 3? 4? Math is not my strong suit. Don't judge me. But ooh, I'm I'm confused. Okay. Let's just watch Chella be confused for 15 years. I love them. I love them. I'm excited to finish the series. I don't care whether the ending is good or bad. I'm keeping these books. I love them. Judge me all you want. I did love the Raven Boys. The Dream Thieves just wasn't my favorite, and Ronan's story just isn't compelling to me. And it was pretty predictable, and he was very annoying. I'm sorry. He was very annoying. Him and Adam, both annoying characters. But I still love it. I still love this book, and I want to read the rest. I do like Blue as a character, Blue Sergeant. I know a lot of people don't, but I'm just in all of these books. I'm in awe. They're beautiful. They're gorgeous. I'm so happy to finally have them. Been waiting months for them. Been a lot of issues with things getting delayed and not knowing what was going on with them, so I'm happy to have them. Oh my god. I know this video is all over the place. It's chaotic, but I'm so happy to have them now, and I'm gonna fix my bookshelf in my art closet to fit them in. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper to have these. I'm excited to read these, and just yeah. But this video is probably pretty short, but that's good. I'm glad. It doesn't need to be long. I just wanted to unbox this in a sit-down video, especially that my boyfriend really wanted me to, so I am happy I did. I know it's all over the place. I'm not good at unboxings, so just bear with me. I'm new to this kind of thing. and they're not going to happen very often, so it'll take time before I can get good at them. But I hope you enjoy the video regardless. I hope I did get some good shots of the books for you. I love these books. I love the look of these books. I'm happy with what I got. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy my videos, please feel free to give a like and subscribe. I would love to have you here. It really makes my day. It really makes Tuesday. I would love seeing you here. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.